Hello everyone. In last session, we discussed with regard to new issue market. In this session, we are going to discuss very important concept, that is stock exchange. Okay. Now, what is stock exchange? Stock exchange. This stock exchange is an organized second-hand market for the purchase and sale of corporate securities. What is stock exchange? It is an organized second-hand market for the purchase and sale of corporate securities. In simple words, stock exchange is nothing but it is a market, organized market for already existing shares. Is it clear? It is an organized market for already existing shares. In the sense, already existing shares are traded in stock exchange. Hope you are clear. Take for example, if you want to purchase MRF share or MRF company shares or else Infosys company shares, where you can purchase that is already existed, right? If you want to purchase those company shares, you can purchase it in stock exchange. It may be in BSE or Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange. Is it clear? Hope you understood the meaning of stock exchange. What is stock exchange? Stock exchange, it is the organized second-hand market for the purchase and sale of corporate securities. In simple words, it is a market for already existing shares. Is it clear? Then, what are the features of stock exchange? Okay, it is an organized market. It is properly organized and it is controlled by SEBI. Remember, it is controlled by SEBI, and every stock exchange, BSE or maybe NSE, every stock exchange has to follow the rules and regulation of SEBI. Whatever the rules which is framed by SEBI, that 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 is to be followed by every stock exchange in India. Is it clear? Then it is a securities market, in the sense you can in stock exchange you are going to buy and sell the securities. Okay, then in a stock exchange only members can deal, in the sense only members can buy and sell the securities. This is not so important features. Just to understand the concept, I added this particular concept. Okay, features of stock exchange. It is an organized market. It is security. Even you can add the features. Okay, then it will not come for exams, but you just understand the concept. To understand the concept, you just go through on features of stock exchange. Then this is very important. That is functions of stock exchange. Now, what are the functions of stock exchange? First one, provide central and convenient. What do you mean by this? Stock exchange provide central place, or it is a convenient place for trade. It means stock exchange like BSE or NSE, these are stock exchange. These two are main two stock exchanges in India. Okay, these stock exchange provide a central place, or it provides a platform or a convenient place to buy and sell the securities or shares. Is it clear? That is first one. Then what about second one? It increases the marketability and liquidity of securities. What is marketability here? Per second, plenty of shares are traded, plenty of securities are traded in stock exchange. In the sense, the marketability is more in stock exchange. Is it clear? Then what about liquidity? Liquidity is nothing but it can easily convertible into cash, right? So it is nothing but the shares you can easily convertible into cash. Immediately at any time you can sell the shares and you can get back your amount. Is it clear? It increases the marketability and liquidity of securities. Hope you are clear. Then it promotes the habit of savings and investment. I think we don't want explanation for this. It promotes the habit of savings and investment in the prospective investors, right? Then it helps capital formation. What is capital formation? Capital formation, to start a company, you need capital, right? How do you collect the capital? By issuing the shares, right? So the stock exchanges helps the company to get their capital. Is it clear? So it helps in capital formation. Then next one, dissemination of information. What does it mean? Dissemination of information. See, the stock exchanges provide information through their various publications. See, these stock exchanges provide various publications. They give information through various publications. They publish the share prices traded on daily basis along with the volume traded, the number of quantity traded, the number of shares are traded, and at what price. These information every stock exchange is going to provide to the prospective investors. Is it clear? That is nothing but dissemination of information. Hope you are clear. Stock exchanges provide information through their various publications. They publish both number of shares traded and at what price. Is it clear? That is nothing but dissemination of information. Then next one is performance inducer. What does it mean? The prices of stocks reflect the performance of the traded companies. The prices of stocks or shares reflect the performance of the traded companies. The price, the share prices that reflect the that reflects or that shows the performance of that particular companies, right? This makes the corporate more concerned with its public image and tries to maintain good performance. Is it clear? The prices of stocks reflect the performance of the traded companies. This makes the corporate or company more concerned its public image and tries to maintain good performance. For the public image, the company is always tries to maintain their good performance. Is it clear? That is nothing but performance inducer. Then next one, self-regulating organization. What does it mean? The stock exchanges monitor the integrity of the members, brokers, listed companies, and clients. Continuous internal audit safeguards the investor against unfair trade practices. What is self-regulating organization? These stock exchanges do continuously internal audit. These stock exchanges continuously conduct or continuously go through under internal audit. Okay. And what is the purpose of internal audit? To safeguard the investors against unfair trade practices. Is it clear? To protect the investors against unfair trade practices. Okay. That is self-regulating organization. Is it clear? Stock exchanges monitor the integrity of their members as well as brokers, listed companies, and their clients. Is it clear? Through continuous internal audit. Hope you're clear. Then last one, that is fixation of prices. In stock exchange, um, how prices are fixed, how share prices are fixed, it depends on demand and supply factors. Remember, demand and supply factors in the market. Fixation of prices of securities in the stock exchange entirely entirely depends upon demand and supply forces in the market. Is it clear? Price is determined by the transaction that flow from investors demand and suppliers preferences. Investors demand and suppliers preferences. Usually the traded prices are made known to the public. Remember, usually the traded prices are made known to the public. Is it clear? This helps the investors to make better decisions. Hope you are clear. Already traded prices are displayed through displayed to the public through different ways. Like if you go to Z News, right? Z News or else some other channels, you can find already you can find the share prices of the different companies, right? Share prices of different companies, whether it is increased or decreased today. Even analysis is done by various experts, right? Even stock exchanges provide uh, various publications, right? In that analysis is done, right? So all the traded prices are displayed to the public. This helps the investors to make better decisions. At what time you can buy, at what time you can sell the shares. Or this analysis, say this buying and selling of shares or securities, that can be done that can be done only by experience, or only by experience in the sense, by seeing the history of the shares performance of the companies. You can buy, or you are going to decide whether to buy the shares now, or you can postpone it to in future. You can postpone it in you can postpone your decision to the in future dates, right? So these are the functions of stock exchange. Hope you are clear. Provides central and convenient, increases the marketability and liquidity of securities. It promotes the habits of savings and investment. It helps the capital formation, dissemination of information, performance inducer, self-regulating organization, and fixation of prices. Remember, fixation of prices purely depends on demand and supply forces, and also along with that, even psychological factors also influences over the price fixation. Changes in price. That you remember. Even psychological factors also influences on a change in price. Okay, it also influence on the securities prices. Psychological factors as well. Is it clear? Hope you understood the functions of stock exchange. Okay. In next session, we are going to discuss, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay. Hope you understood functions of stock exchange, right? In case any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.